Hello, Trucker Jono here. I'm not sure how well you're going to hear me, but I'm on the side of the A34 and I've decided to show you a video on how to open your curtains, how to secure your load, and then how to close your curtains. So we'll see how this goes. I've also got me a little friend here in the bushes. I'm going to name him Derek. He's sort of just hovering around at the moment. Anyway, so curtains. Curtains have many different types of straps. So on my truck I actually have two different types. I have one of one type and the rest are all a different type. Purely because one of them broke and they replaced it with whatever they had. So this is one type. Quite easy to undo. So literally lift up and it just drops off. Nice and easy. And then the other type that we have are these ones. So as you can see there's a spring there and then the strap. So what you do is you pull the outermost part of the strap down and pull it towards you and it releases. Okay, so same again. You can literally do these one hand, nice and easy. Just like that. Right, I hope this is all coming out alright. We're doing one more. So you've got to make sure you go a few more back from what you need so you've got room for the curtain to ravel up. Yeah, so here's the mechanism for doing up the curtains and undoing it. So the top lever here is for doing the curtain up and the bottom one's for releasing it. So you pull the clip up, safety clip, pull the bottom one out. You got to make sure this top one stays in, otherwise it will fling back and hit you in the hand, and that really hurts. Trust me, I've done it once before. So bottom one, give it a nice pull, and the curtain releases out the rail. So what you do, lift the pole up, and out it drops, nice and easy. So then, all you can do, some people pull by the straps to pull the curtain back. I don't like to do that myself. I like to pull on the bottom of the curtain and just slide it back. Like so. There you go. And you always pull from the furthest away point because otherwise it ravels up and you can't open the curtain very well. So there's that. Alright, now for securing the load, we have straps inside the rail. So you can see they're on a rail. For the particular loads we do, these are ideal for us. We don't need to use anything else really. So you can see they've got a hook on the bottom. So you can either hook it onto the body, down the bottom there, or hook it onto the lashing points here. So what I'll do is I'll put that there, sorry. So hook that on there, pull the strap down. So strap's there like that. The clasp is open, pull on the bottom top, and it closes down. Just like that. It's easier with two hands because you can get a bit more tension on it. See this one here, I've actually pushed the pallet onto the lashing point, so I'll actually have to do this one to the body. So we'll hook that underneath. Lift. Oh. Again, hard to do with one hand. I should have really brought a mount. So hook that on the body. So with a strap, pull down, pull the top down, clips in, done. And the same with the next one. So we've got a lashing point on here. Hope you can see alright. So we've got a lashing point. Bring that up. Pull the strap down. Pull the top of the clip down. Clips into place. So then that's our 3 pallets secured in from sideways. And ideally, what you want... Oh dear, standing on all the wires. What you want from your last strap is you want a cross at the back of all your pallets that holds them all in. So you need to extend this strap, so grab the metal clasp and then just drag it down and that extends your strap so it will reach over to the other side. So extend that right down, and what we can do then, this is going to be awful, isn't it? So and what we can do from there is then move that strap over as far as possible, bring it along the pallets here, and on our lashing points you actually clip it into the side sometimes if it'll let you, and then pull tight like that, and then that leaves you with a nice X at the rear of your pallets, and that stops everything from sliding. So and as you can see, everything is all hunky-dory. So that's how we secure our loads. Right, I'll just turn the light off in the back. So that's how your load should look from the back. Your straps down each side and then an X at the back. So that should be everything secured. Rooster's getting a bit feisty now, I think. Come on, pal, there you go. Ugh. Come on, shoo, shoo, shoo. Get out of it. Right, now for pulling the curtain up, quite easy. Grab hold of the handle, watch the top, make sure it's hanging out, and it just slides back, like so. What you got going on there, pal? The top of the rail, you want to make sure you get in the top there, and within that groove in the metal plate there, and then the bottom, sits in there, there's a pin, and then a groove in the wheel. So if I push that one in, pull the bottom one, you can see that actually rotates around. That's what winds your curtain up. So we drop that on there, make sure the top stays in, and wind it up. And as you can see, it pulls the curtain nice and tight. There we go. Now on our curtains, we got white lines here which match up with this, and that's how you know your curtain is centered. I don't think everyone does that, but something we've done for ease of use. Right, now just got to do the straps up, which is nice and easy. It's exactly the same as the straps from inside the truck. So bottom under, pull down, and you can actually put it down like that, and then you use your other hand to pull the top of the clip down. It's a lot harder with one hand. So clip under the body, so it goes under like that, pull the strap down, and then like that. Again, a lot easier one hand, two hands. A lot harder with one. They don't need to be massively tight, you don't need to proper wrench on them, because you'll end up pulling the curtain out the rail at the top, which you really don't want to be doing. So, but as long as there's enough tension on them, you don't want it too loose either, because obviously the looser it is, the more the wind will catch you as well when you're driving. There we go. This one. So there's a bit of rain as well today, I'm afraid. Just started raining as I'm doing this. And then last one, this is a different one. Just tuck it under. No, this one's going to be awkward now, isn't it? Tucks under. I'll just pull the strap a bit. I'll get it ready. And this one doesn't have a special clip. It's just got little tags that clip in. Oh, I've done it a bit too tight. That's better. And that one just pushes in and stays like that. And that's your curtain done up. Now these ones, they got loops on them, they're not too bad. They do flap around. This one here, where it's a bit longer, it's best to tuck it behind and just pull it down. Stops it flapping around too much. Right, so I think that's everything on doing the curtains and the straps. So I hope that's insightful enough for you. And yeah, there's me rooster friend still squawking away and cleaning his feathers, but I think he enjoyed the video, so I hope you do too. Take it easy.